Hey, AI video enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some big news. OpenAI has finally released their AI video generation model, Sora. It's been a long time coming, especially with the current free-for-all in the AI video generation field. Other AI video generators have surpassed Sora's initial demos, but from what we've seen in today's tests, Sora might just become the most powerful one out there. So, let's dive deep into what Sora can actually do with some real demos. Let's get started. Before we jump in, let's talk about how you can get access to Sora. If you have a ChatGPT Plus account, you can directly access it with the ability to generate up to 50 videos per month at a maximum resolution of 720p. If you're on OpenAI's new $200 per month Pro plan, you can generate up to 500 videos at 1080p resolution, up to 20 seconds long, and you can run 5 video generations concurrently, plus download videos without watermarks. Also, keep in mind that Sora isn't available in every country yet. There's a list of countries where it's accessible, and currently, it's not available in the UK or the EU, but you can use a VPN to get around that. That's the rundown on access. Now, let's walk you through how to use it. First, we log into the dashboard. We've put the link in the video description below. The page is super straightforward. On the left side, you've got your basic functions and video history, which looks pretty handy. At the very bottom, there's a prompt box where you can type in your ideas. Click the plus sign, and you can upload an image. Then, there are some presets like Balloon World, Stop Motion, Archival, Film Noir, and more. Trust me, these will save you a ton of time. After that, you've got your resolution and size options. Higher resolutions and longer durations take longer to generate. Next up is the number of videos to generate. It'll create different variations for us, but keep in mind, this will use up our credits, so use it wisely. And then there's the storyboard feature, which is brand new and super powerful. It allows us to set up different scenes by uploading photos or adding descriptions at specific times, and the video will then generate those segments accordingly. It's really awesome. All right, let's check out some of the videos we've tested. The results are going to blow your mind. After our tests, we've found that generating a 720p video takes between 15 to 20 minutes right now, probably because it's just been released and there's a lot of traffic, so it's pretty congested. In terms of generation speed, it's on the slower side compared to other generators, but the quality of the output has given us a big surprise. There were some minor hiccups, but its understanding of prompts is definitely top-notch. For a more detailed comparison, we'll update our next videos with exploration tips and full comparisons with other AI video generators. Keep an eye out for that. Our upcoming videos will save you a lot of time exploring on your own. That's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.